But I think it's one of the best, maybe the best events combining kickboxing and MMA so far. Okay, I don't want to waste your time, so I will give the word to the president, Orsa Zopro. Thank you.
Good evening to everybody. Good evening. Thank you very much for coming. Yeah, like Marta said, this was a very exciting evening. We had everything: knockouts, submissions, great fights. And I must say, even the venue was not completely full. I'm very, very happy with the audience, and I very, very respect Slovenian crowd, Slovenian audience. My highest respect, really. These people, they know this sport, and definitely I can promise that very soon we'll come back again.
Bravo, bravo.
So I just want to say a few words about a couple of fights. On the first place, I want to say something about the fight between Remy